Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from Walmart and we are about to get into some quick and easy rebate deals. I have decided to pull up to Walmart. I was debating on whether I was going to or not to complete my turkey bonus. As y'all know, Ibotta switched it up on us this year, and this year we have to actually complete a number of offers, and they're giving it to us like a bonus. So this year it's not really like a free Thanksgiving dinner, it's almost like a Thanksgiving dinner bonus. So I've been trying to work down my offers. I had 20 offers to complete, and I think I've already done like 8 of them, so I have to do at least 12 today in order to qualify to get that free turkey bonus. So that's what I'm going to try to knock out today, and I'm going to try to move through the store pretty quickly. So without further ado, let's get started. And I forgot to mention while I was in the store that if you are completely new to Ibotta, Ibotta is the app that is providing the free Thanksgiving dinner promotion, then you do not have to complete all of these offers in order to get your free Thanksgiving items. The completing of the offers is only for people who are currently using Ibotta. So if you're new to Ibotta, you can sign up today and these offers should automatically be on your account. So first I'm going to be grabbing, I wanted to get these finished that are $3.34. My store is out of those because those would be a little bit cheaper. Those would be like 59 cents. I'm going to grab the Quantum instead. These are $4.12. So they're going to be $4.12. We're going to submit back to Ibotta for $1.50. And we are also going to be submitting back to the coupons app for $1.50. Gonna make my final cost for this bag just $1.12. Next deal up is on the hefty slider bags. We always need these. So these are $2.78. We're gonna grab a total of 2 of them. That's gonna total us up to $5.56. So we're gonna submit back to the coupons app for $2. We're gonna submit back to Ibotta for $1.50. Gonna make our final cost just $2.06 for both, or $1.03 per box. Next that we're grabbing is on the all free and clear detergent. You can also grab the blue one if your store carries that and you have the $2 rebate. This store only carries the free and clear, so I'm going to grab one of these for $3.47. I got $2 back on Ibotta and $1.25 back on the coupons app. Gonna make this baby just 22 cents. Next deal I'm grabbing is on the Lysol laundry sanitizer. So this is $6.97 regular price. I'm just gonna be grabbing one, but you could also grab 2. So doing it all digital, I'm gonna buy one for $6.97. I'm gonna submit back to the coupons app for $1.50, to Swagbucks for $1, and then I'm gonna submit back to Ibotta for $1.50. Gonna make my final cost just $2.97 for one of these, or like getting a $4 discount. If you need a Keurig, Walmart currently has Black Friday pricing going, and these are just $35 in store and online, so you can grab them either way you prefer. Next item we're grabbing is the Johnson's Baby Bar. So this is $1.98. We're gonna be using the $2 manufacturer coupon on this to make it completely free, but then we're gonna submit to Ibotta for $1 in cash back. Gonna make this a $1 moneymaker. So now we're over in the travel size section. So I was looking for the Johnson's baby lotion over here. It should be right here. That's $2.16. We do have a $1 Ibotta rebate and $1 back on the coupons app. That'll make that just 16 cents. My store doesn't have it. We also have some other travel size items that do attach to our Ibotta rebates. That Lysol travel size spray does attach to our Ibotta rebate, along with these wipes as well. One thing I will be able to grab, thankfully, they at least have 2 of these. I think I'm spotting 3, is this Febreze fabric to go right here. So this right here is $1.97. We do have a $3.30 back on 2 Ibotta rebate that works for these. So that $3.30 rebate will make it just 64 cents for 2 of them. Next that we're grabbing is on the Lay's stack. So we're gonna grab 2 of these for $1.48 each. That's gonna total us up to $2.96, but Ibotta is gonna give us back $3.48. That's gonna make 2 of these free plus a 52-cent moneymaker. And you wanna scan which ones you get to make sure that the ones that you grab are attaching to the rebates. I'm gonna be grabbing the original today. Next thing we're gonna grab is on the Doritos. I'm gonna get 1 bag of the 3D Crunch, and I'm also gonna get one of the regular bags for $3.98. We have $3.98 back on Ibotta. We're also gonna be getting back $2 from Fetch Rewards. Gonna make our final cost for these bags just 99 cents each after both rebates. And on these Doritos, I accidentally picked up the wrong ones. For the 3D Doritos, you wanna actually grab the nacho cheese flavor flavor. I grabbed the Cool Ranch, which is not included in the 1,500 points on Fetch Rewards. Now this deal would be a little bit cheaper if you have the coupons that are coming out on 11/13 for $4 off of 2, because you would save $2 with the coupon and get $4 back on Ibotta for this Splenda Stevia. I do not have my 11/13 coupons yet, but I'm still gonna buy one of these for $6.68. I'm gonna use the $1 printable coupon from the Splenda website. That'll bring me down to $5.68. Then I'll submit back to Ibotta for $4 in cash back. It'll make my final cost $1.68 for this product, and I actually use this product every single day, so I don't mind paying for it. One rebate I am gonna go back and do now that I do have my 11/13 coupons is on the Persil. So these are $5.44. We do have a $2 Ibotta rebate that does expire within 23 hours. And we also have a $2 coupon that's coming out in the 11/13 save. So with that $4 in savings, that's going to make each bottle of Persil just $1.44, which is a definite stock up price. This deal will not last long, so if you do get early coupons, this is one that I would try soon. This next deal I'm not going to do because I don't drink a whole lot of tea, but I wanted to point it out to you in case you do. So the Celestial Seasonings Tea Well Tea, these are $3.44. We have an Swagbucks rebate for these for $5 back when you buy 2. So you could pick up 2 of them for $6.88, then submit over to Swagbucks for $5 back. That'll make your final cost just 94 cents per box. The next deal we're going to be grabbing is on this Ocean Spray. We're going to get the Revitalize and the Immunity juices. So these are $3.84 at my store. So 2 of them are going to total us up to $7.68. We're going to submit back to Ibotta for $5 on 2 bottles because we're going to get $2.50 back each. And we're going to submit over to Swagbucks for $3 back on 2 bottles. That's going to make our final cost free plus a 32-cent moneymaker. Next item up, I'm going to grab one of these Hawaiian punch drinks. So you can either get the strawberry citrus or the citrus splash. These are $2.58, but Ibotta's giving back $1, making this just $1.58. The next item we're grabbing is 2 of the Oreo ice cream. So these are $4.48 each in my store. We're going to be submitting back to Swagbucks for $2.50 and to Ibotta for $4. That's going to make our final cost $2.46 for both, or just $1.23 each. So I decided to go ahead and grab the turkey that I wanted as well. I got the boneless turkey breast. This was $13.72. Now I bought this on a separate transaction because I knew that after I completed all the required offers today, that free turkey offer would be added to my account. So I was able to buy that in a separate receipt and then submit for that within a few minutes after completing those required offers. And I'll show you that receipt and that offer in just a moment. I did a total of 3 transactions. I did one with just the turkey. I did one with 2 of the Ocean Spray and 2 of the Lay's stacks and 2 of the Johnson's bars alone. And then I did everything else in a very large transaction. So let me show you how these broke down. So here is a close-up of my receipt. So I did 3 different transactions. One on my husband's Ibotta account. I just grabbed the juice and the Lay's and the 2 Johnson bars, just freebies only on his account. Total was $10.60. I got back $10.48 from Ibotta plus $3 from Swagbucks, and that $2 coupon for the baby bars scans with no issue. Transaction 2, I did everything else. $59.36 was my subtotal. I got back $33.26 from Ibotta, and then I got back $6.50 from Swagbucks, $6.25 from the coupons app, and then only 71 cents from Fetch since I bought the wrong Doritos. That made that have a cost of $12.64. And then in my last transaction, I just picked up my turkey for $13.72, and I got back $14, making that free. So it made my net cost for everything that we got a total of $9.76, which is not bad for all of these items. So I think that breaks down to a cost, since we got 24 items, of 40 cents per item. And when you're talking about the items that we got ice cream, we got a turkey, we got dishwasher tabs, hefty bags at 40 cents per item. I will take that all day, even without a true like free Thanksgiving dinner or a free bonus. I think we did pretty good. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.